All right, let's have a look at this picture. Android or iPhone?
iPhone.
Yeah, okay. Well,
iPhone.
I think what we need is, I think we need to make some teams for this, all right? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a number, okay? I want you to remember your number, okay? It can be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make some teams. I want number 1, I want you to get together. All right, number 2, I want you to get together. 3, please get together. 4 and 5, get together. Get together with the same number, sit somewhere.
Where are we getting together?
Okay, doesn't matter, anywhere you want. Outside? Anywhere you want. Not outside, inside, inside. Somewhere near a desk. Take your books, take your pens.
No one?
Are you 5?
All right, I want to let you guys talk about iPhones or Android. Which one do you prefer? All right, and why? Talk about why. Which one do you have? Yeah. Okay, so it sounds like a lot of you are Android lovers. No? Yeah? Okay, well, maybe after this next bit, you might actually change your mind about which one you like. I'm hearing you were saying that Android has free downloads. Yeah? So iPhone doesn't?
Well, iPhone's more of like a rich guy.
A rich guy? I have both, okay? I mean, you said you have an iPhone.
Yeah.
Why do you have an iPhone?
Because I think it's like, Android is more complicated than iPhone for some reason. The layout, you have to like press so many buttons to get into one thing. For iPhone, it's like,
Actually, if you would ask an Android user, iPhones are much more complicated.
Yeah, because I think it all depends on what you get used to. Because like in Android, there's a button like the home button and the back button, whereas iPhone just have that one button where you just go home.
Well, maybe we can talk more about this after the next activity.